Look at this traffic.
Nice car horn.
Oh no! Come back! I hate my car horn.
Does this happen to you? People go away because you got a bad, boring car horn? Hello, I'm Tina Chanus. Does your car horn lack flavor? Then come on down to Car Horns and More. Okay, here's what a regular car horn sounds like. What? No, that's bad. You need a custom-made car horn that speaks to you, like this. Beep, beep, I am your car. Yes. And that is my voice. Why should I not be? I'm an entrepreneur. At Car Horns and More, we got all kinds of car horns. Polite car horns. Beep, beep, after you, Buick. Old-timey car horns. Auga, jalopy. What? International car horns. Hong Kong, bonjour. Great poupon, crash. And for ambulances. Get out the way, a baby ate a penny. Oh my God. How do I do it? I have a little help. Just ask my cousin, Kiki.
Hello, I'm Kiki Jean Chanus, and I've been in all kinds of crazy cars. Do you need a horn for a limousine? Moonroof, minibar, hello driver, prom, honk. What if you drive an airport shuttle bus? Honk honk, JetBlue, bye-bye, Nana.
We got horns for everybody. Come on.
What about me? I'm a scientist.
Here you go. Bunsen burner, Bubbles, it's alive. What?
Good.
What about me? I'm a teenager.
This one's for you. Pass the clearance, sir. Shut up, Mom. Jolly Ranchers.
Yes.
What about me? I'm a soldier in the army.
Here. Camouflage, bunk beds, drop and give me 20. Beep beep, Private Benjamin, right?
Thanks.
We even got car horns for driving to church. Hello, I'm coming to your house, Jesus.
For the elderly. Honk honk, I remember when this was all farmland.
I even car horns for people in relationships. Honk, how could you sleep with Denise? Oh my God, I can't believe you did it to me. This is a terrible betrayal, beep.
Oh my God.
So come on down to Car Horns and More and get the fantasy car horns of your dreams. Bye-bye. Beep beep.